that's another video. I'm showing all my boxes as I'm storing them, so I won't have access for a while. So that's a Union box that I've got on Facebook as well. Pretty hard to find here in Australia. I've just cleaned it, tried to keep as more original as I could. It was parts a bit rusty. There's the front of it. Just cleaned the locks. Still works very nice. Has the Union marks. Paint came off a bit here, but pretty good. And you can open on the sides and pull. And this one is different. I couldn't find any the same on eBay or anything, because it has a drawer that comes up, a shelf actually, which is pretty good. Still has the key I kept here, and I put some more of my wrenches just to store for now. I'll start from the top. I have these very cool different wrench. Apparently it's an alligator style or something, made in USA. It was very rusty, so I put in Vaporous and wire brush. Those are some just wrenches. Stanley Seed Chrome, which is very popular in Australia. I've got this diamond cork horseshoe. I've seen some of those diamond light, I believe on MacDaddy, something like that. It's made in USA, still works well. I've just gave a clean on that. There's not much to do. It looks pretty cool. Little wrench. That's another alligator style number 2. Did a bit of cleaning and sanding on the sides here, just to look nice, and it really looks pretty cool, this wrench. And that's another Seed Chrome, very popular in Australia. Here. Then I have here some compass, markers, some very different wrenches on the S shape. These 2 big ones. Hand vise. This one is, there's the name here, British made. Yeah, just clean it. It's pretty cool. Also found in a garage sale. Really like that one. This type of screwdrivers, very nice, different style. That's some sort of measure marker. Have another pipe wrench. That's a Beams & Co. Apparently is a newish model compared to the ones with the long screw nut. But this one is in perfect condition, still works well. There are some numbers here. This one I got in Tasmania on a market, and just the handle has 2 holes here. I don't know why. I thought about fixing that, putting some wood there, but still very nice. Maybe I'll clean that later. Show this first is a bayonet, probably from the war as well. Used to go on top of the guns. Don't have much what to do, but I'll clean and keep that. Got 2 next to my house on the antique shop. 2 wrenches, apparently Acme or something like that. Is blacksmith wrenches, according to what I've checked. This one has a brand, made in USA. I don't know which brand is that. It's WO, same as the other one I have. Patent, February, probably 1893. And this one I couldn't find any brand, but it looks pretty cool. just clean it, kept well, wax out of rusty. These ones that have hips, some branded, some not branded, some are Ford. I believe I have a Ford one. Don't know which one this is. There's a symbol here. Don't know what it is. Oops. This one is made in USA. Same one. Two of the same. J7F. Don't know what it is. And probably England. Those two are Ford. So two Ford wrenches with this funny style. A screwdriver. And another bayonet, probably handmade by someone. Just thought it was cool to keep. And yeah, don't have much of the history of those, but still pretty cool wrenches to keep. I'll keep that in the bottom. Someone knows. It's pretty. Again, that's the Union box that I keep some of the wrenches. Still clip well, close, pretty cool. Leather handle. There you go. That's for today's. Thanks, guys.